Right, this is jw-55 doing his Magnum, just like Daly did on part 1. Here we go. Well, let's see.
No pain for the enemy.
Let's see what happens. Let's get a bit of gameplay in there from JW. Oh, we've got JW getting out. Now we've got some jw-5 gameplay in there. Oh, and he got a kill out of it. Good lad. And then just press it again to stop it. You know what I mean? Getting a vest. JW's getting some vest. And then stop. And pause. JW, explain how your game's going so far. The face says it all.
Yeah.
Get some gameplay. I'm there. Whoa! He done a front flip. Hey! He's on a fucking long jump.
If there was the opposite
concentration. Let's get some concert.
Where you've got 25 deaths.
What can I do when all cancer fuck?
There. Just got it in, look. Not the headshot.
Ah, you missed it.
You want a big one? Dashing that 10 seconds. Oh, got that in, John. And John was there with the
Can I just say, in my defence, I played the whole map with a Magnum and look at the top of the team.
He got 6. Not bad. And that's the end of part 2.